This is a 2006 Ford F-150 XLT Triton. It does have a camper shell, obviously. Very smooth riding truck. Again, these Good Morning World car reviews are not about cars that are for sale. These are just videos about cars. So that if you want to buy one of these models, you know what you're gonna get. Does have a very efficient towing package on it. It's got optional wired mirrors. It's got some wear on the seat. So here's what you're looking at when you're driving it. You've got your information here. Yes, it does work. I know it's kind of parked in a iffy position, but it does work. This particular one has 175,000 miles on it. Got your pedals down here: gas, brake, clutch, stereo with AM/FM radio, climate controls. No rear climate control bench, but there is a bench seat. No rear climate control vents, but there is a bench seat in the back. Sunglass holder in the roof. Dome light. Modern Ford dome light. You've got your coin storage, cigarette lighter, ashtrays. This center console, it's got a little thing over here. If I can find it, right here, it's a little thing that you lift it. If you lift it and you raise it, there's a middle seat, and it's actually pretty comfortable. And there is a seat belt. Then, when you want it down, pretty simple. You do have cup holders, but if this is up, you have more, and another center storage. Center console here, pretty standard. Steering wheel controls, cruise control, all of that. So anyway, that's all of that. Over here, here's your brake, your parking brake. Got all the rear window controls on this driver's side door. You've got some more information: door unlock, mirror adjustment. In the car, you can adjust your mirrors. Of course, that's pretty standard in modern cars. So anyway, thanks for watching this GMW car review. The seats in this model are actually pretty comfortable for a pickup, so that's a good thing. And it's a pretty basic pickup, but it does a job, and it does a job well. So thanks for watching.